wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guess who is finally trying this Patrick Ta foundation? So if you guys want to see how it works, let's go. Or how it looks, let's go. I have heard a lot of mixed reactions on this. Either people really like it, or some people really dislike it. So we're gonna see how this goes. This is the color on the box, and I feel like, you know, we did a good job. But this is the Major Skin Hydra-Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation from Patrick Ta. This retails for $58 for 1 fluid ounce and comes in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 30 shades. Let's see. A lightweight and luminous foundation with serum inspired ingredients and a buildable medium coverage formula that boosts hydration and blurs the look of imperfections. Coverage is medium, finish is radiant, formulation liquid, free of parabens. Patrick Ta knows the secret to every look starts with foundation, so he built a base that complements your routine, infused with hydrating skincare ingredients that visibly improve elasticity and diffuse the appearance of fine lines. This formula blends beautifully with bare skin and even better with makeup. Now, I feel like the biggest complaint that I've heard is that it's oily on the face. If you have oily skin, y'all know I have oily skin, but also I feel like it's right there in the name of the foundation. Luminous, radiant. You know, so I also, like, you know, I'm realistic when I go in with certain products. Like, if I know it's not necessarily meant for me, which that's okay, because baby, one size exists. I also keep that in mind. Today I used Danessa and the Makeup Forever primer after I used it in that recreation of Beyonce's makeup, because I kind of like the two together. So we'll see how this goes, but this is the packaging. We're going to excuse my nubs of fingers. My nails will be done by the end of this video. I gotta put my press-ons on. Packaging, very luxe. Okay, it's got luxe in the title. And oh, did I say what shade I got in? I got it in 26 neutrals. So let's go. Okay, so this is 1.5 pumps. Might have been able to do 2 because I'm like, where's that? I'm like, where's the foundation? That was 1.5. I mean, I'm gonna go, let me, hold on. I mean, y'all know, like, I'm not opposed to that. I'm definitely more of the medium coverage to sheer. But I'm like, I feel like that's not what I be seeing when I see other people's like little TikToks and whatnot. Let's see. I don't know what he put in this, but it looks very good on the skin. And it's definitely buildable. But I'm telling you, I was looking at it like, where is it at? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face. Wait a minute. Face is giving grown. This is what my face is going to look like for the day. So it is 12:13. I'm going to check in midday, and then I'll be back later tonight to tell you my thoughts on this foundation. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. It is 5:38. This is my face. Ooh, the sun. Hold on. This is what my face is looking like. I'm trying to get a close-up of my skin. Baby, she's holding up well for this being a luminous foundation. When I tell you, like, I really didn't have much hope on this one. I do think I'm starting to get oily, but the sun, y'all see that? I do think I'm starting to get oily, but it is holding up a lot better than I thought it would. I was hesitant getting this just because, like, I saw people saying, baby, it's not for oily skin. If you have oily skin, keep it, right? But not only does it look good on the face, I feel like it is holding up pretty well. Did I say I was fighting a nap? If I didn't say that, I'm fighting a nap. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this check-in in so I can go ahead and take the nap. Someone said, you always nap, and I am. I don't believe in depriving yourself of things. Life is already hard enough. But before I did, I was like, let me get this check-in in. I did film a bunch of other videos. I was outside. I went through putting outfits on, putting outfits off. So, like, I've been moving, and I feel like this is holding up very well for a foundation that is not supposed to be, well, which probably isn't the most compatible for oily skin. I ate too, that's why my lip is gone. I think I was able to avoid touching my chin. But I like her on the face. By the time I come back, I feel like I feel like this area will definitely be a lot more oilier. And y'all know I sweat over my brows. So that'll be the real test. I'll be back later. I'm gonna go take my nap, okay? Bye. Okay, y'all. It is, I had a TikTok playing. It is 11:56 and this is what my face looks like. Now, yes, my face is oily. However, it is almost 12 hours later. This is a Luminous foundation and this is what my face looks like 12 hours later. Of course, this side of my face is playing with me a little bit. Of course, the most oil is in my T-zone, above my brows. Do I have any smile lines? Now, I did say that I was a little hesitant getting this just because the reviews were very mixed. That's also why I don't like seeing a lot of reviews before I test out a product, because it starts to get into my head. And like I said, it seemed very one or the other. Like either you liked it or you didn't. I didn't really see too much in between. I feel like a lot of people that didn't like it because it was a Luminous foundation. It looked greasy on their face. It looked oily on their face, all that stuff. I don't know what it is. I don't think my skin has gotten less oily as I get older, but, or maybe it's just the way that I do my makeup as I get older. I feel like even if it's not for oily skin, it still holds up well on my face. Now, y'all know I'm gonna use the Danessa primer regardless, right? Me and her go together like this. However, I have used the Danessa with foundations where, yeah, I can like it, and yeah, it might hold up well throughout the day, but like Danessa can't fix everything. You know, she can't, the finish on everything isn't perfect on top of Danessa, right? I also used the Mario setting spray as a like in between layers spray today, and y'all know I really like that one. I also used this bad boy from L'Oreal for my entire face, and I done told y'all about this setting spray. Like once you put it on, like everything is locked in, your face is not going anywhere. So I do think the other products that I used is also why my face looks like this. And the thing is, when you're doing these type of videos, you want to do your makeup how you would do your makeup normally, because if you start doing your makeup in ways where you're making it about that one product, the results that you get from that one product aren't going to be consistent with how you do it every other time. It's giving, I could probably say thank you to some of the products that I used on my face looking like this hours later, but it's still a good foundation. I just think it's, you know, the natural finish of this foundation is more convenient for, you know, normal skin. I think dry skin would like this. However, I think oily skin can make this work in their routine if they already have a routine that works for their oily skin, right? If you are, I don't know, fresh into makeup, you don't really have your go-to product, stuff like that, or, you know, you don't want to make it work, you just kind of want it to come out of the bottle and work for you, and you have oily skin, maybe get a sample. But if you already have a routine down for you, I feel like you can include this in there and it'll look really nice on your face, and it'll wear really nice throughout the day, because baby, it looks really nice. Okay, like I told y'all, I was filming other stuff, so I've seen it in real life and I've seen it on camera. Beautiful in both. And you know, it's probably also due to the fact that it's a line created by a professional makeup artist. So, you know, he is working on celebrities for events, for photo shoots, for all this. So he said, nah, my foundation, that's gonna be the one that you want on the cover. Baby, this is a beautiful foundation. Like, it just looks so good on the skin. So am I going to continue to use this? Absolutely, positively. And I feel like the shade match, thank you, Patrick Ta, okay? Because neutral, that's what neutral means. Is this the one? Y'all see, I put it on and I was trying to look for it. Like, where is the foundation? This is a neutral undertone foundation. Not neutral, leaning on red, neutral, leaning on yellow. It's a neutral undertone foundation. So also the y'all heard my knee? The shade match has got me as well. It's just really pretty. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder almost 12 hours later. It's probably 12 hours, but yeah, it's 12:02 now. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I feel like y'all can tell I like this. If you wanted to hear my thoughts on this, that is it. Let me know in the comments down below. I think I told y'all NYX is coming. Child, I don't know what's going on with that. CoverGirl is coming. Y'all know I want to do One Size Beauty. And I also want to do a full face of Makeup by Mario. as well. So if there's anything else you guys would like to see a video on, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, your notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.